This video, I will teach you how to set up payment gateway on systeme.io step by step. This is what you are going to do. After you log into your account, click on this image and go to setting. When you go to setting, you can see this side, you can see payment gateway. Click on it. You understand? To set up your payment gateway, you must have any of these account listed here. You must have anyone, you must have one, at least one. You understand? So now, let's say you don't have anyone. Uh, there's a description, there's a link in the description below this video to create your Flutterwave account. Because I'm going to use Flutterwave account, I have a Flutterwave account. Do you understand right now? So you go to your the description, you click on that link and you create your own account. And when you are creating your account, make sure you use the name that you have on your ID card, because you are going to need any government issue ID card to verify your account. Do you understand now? So that is how it is. So I'm going to click on connect. After you create your account and you verify it, you click on connect. You come back here and click on connect. Then you go back to your Flutterwave account and you go to, you can see this is my account. Go to setting and you scroll down here and you can see API key. Click on it and scroll down, you can see generate new API key. Click on it, click on confirm, and you can see here, click on it to open it and click on choose 1 hour or immediately, anyone you want. I'm going to use 1 hour. Then we click on confirm and they are going to send code to your Gmail, the Gmail that you use to register your Flutterwave account. Do you understand right now? The code is here right now. Let me put the code 14110337878. Then we click on generate new API key and it's here. The API key is here. Do you understand? Then you copy the first one, go to your systeme.io, paste it. You understand? Go back again, copy the second one, go back to your systeme.io, paste it. You understand? Go back again and copy the third one. You understand? Copy the third one and paste it and you click on save. You understand right now? So it has connect to each other. So this is how to set up your payment gateway on systeme.io step by step. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys, and I will answer you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my video. One love, guys.